guys, welcome to my Isaiah show. Today I'm learning to make buffalo chicken. My girlfriend's sister-in-law already put the chicken in here, so she's putting the last can.
It was 4 cans.
It was 4 cans.
We're dropping stuff.
Okay.
You gotta get a spoon, buddy.
A spoon?
Well, get the seasoning first for the chicken. Whichever seasonings your mom wants.
What do you need? You need
Salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic.
salt and pepper. Okay. There's the salt. And then the pepper, I cannot get that. So you're gonna have to get that.
And the garlic powder.
And garlic powder. Garlic powder.
I get it.
Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay. So
You
now-
teaching him.
Okay, so now we're gonna start seasoning it.
Season it? Okay.
Yes.
So salt.
A little bit more, go like this. Like across it. Okay, okay.
Pepper goes out really easily.
A little bit more.
A little more.
A little bit more. Okay. Whoa.
Alright. Some garlic powder. Okay, tell me when to stop.
Be careful because that comes out kind of fast. A little bit more. Okay. Alright. Now.
Cheese?
No, not yet, because we need some.
Standing on the exact center of the loaf.
Okay, onions.
Welcome back to my channel.
Alright, that's not cooked. That's not cooked. Hello! Hopefully the chicken gonna be good. And if y'all don't know, the Super Bowl is today. One of us gonna be playing. Super Bowl, Super Bowl, Super Bowl. Yeah.
Super Bowl Sunday, right?
Yep, Super Bowl Sunday.
So, I gotta back you up a little bit, buddy. We gotta get the. There we go.
Oh, you need a chopping board?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to the front. I can help you. Alright, so now we need to
Just a little bit.
yeah, we don't need a lot. We only need a little bit of onion. You want me to take out the sprout?
Yeah, I'm
We're
gonna
just
get
put it
that
up.
close, yeah.
Okay. Ooh. That was easy. Now you can just go like that.
And then we're gonna chop it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just chop it. And you can shred it out. That's why I'm going to do that part. I'm going to shred all of it out. So it can be easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Tiny pieces. And then you can throw this right in there. That's alright.
Yep. Always gotta get a little messy when you're cooking.
What'd you tell me earlier? What was that saying you said?
You gotta get a little messy when you're cooking. And also you gotta clean the mess when you go.
As you go, right.
As you go. Have a super doll vision.
Okay. I'm dropping it.
Okay, yeah, you just drop it.
He said, okay, yeah, you're just dropping it. Okay, go ahead. You put it in there. Oh, wait. And mince it. This is called mincing.
Don't get in my eyes, because it's already sparked.
It's burning?
No, I'm just saying don't get in my eyes, because it's sparked in my hand.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, now it's burning.
You can use it if you want.
Oh, that.
Thank you.
Um,
My trusty steak. Did you throw the bag in?
okay.
Put the bag there.
I didn't throw the bag.
Oh, no, it's right here.
Great. Now we got that done.
Yep. So mix that up for me.
Okay. You want the board out the way? Better?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
Okay, so I can scoot in.
And in the bag, we are making ground beef with a lot of potatoes. We are going to make relleno de papa. That's a bowl of potatoes with stuffed ground beef inside. I will show you later on
And also,
that recipe.
and also, guys, if you're gonna check out my last video, that was yesterday night. What you call it? I made ball of fire for the Super Bowl, which is this. Now I'm gonna go like this. I go like this because it's a little hard.
Lexi gonna show you how to do that. How to
Chop it.
karate shot. What?
Oh God.
Yeah. Get him closer.
Okay, let Lexi.
Mix it up.
It's on the bottom and on top.
Let me have this one.
Okay. Your turn. My side chef.
Your sous chef. I'm your sous chef today.
Yeah, I'm the road chef.
Okay.
I used to be the road chef.
Okay.
So this is just our fast, easy way of shredding.
Yep. You don't gotta take the whole thing, take a shred it like. So we are moving too hard.
Well, you guys could also do your own chicken. You could roast your own chicken if you want. But we taking the easy way. Why not once in a while?
You can use
Right?
any chicken you want. You can use turkey chicken. You can use regular chicken. You can use whatever chicken you want. But it gotta be chicken.
Yeah, you could do turkey, buffalo style too. But we're doing chicken, buffalo chicken dip.
All right. I want you to scoop all this in there.
Ooh,
What is that? You guys put it in
This
there.
is cream cheese,
and
Okay.
this one is
already
great.
whipped. We did take the easy way with this one too, because you can use the block and then
You
whip
could
it
just go like that,
yourself. But
but we could just scoop it.
yep.
Easy way out. Because we got a lot of cooking to do later on also with the potato balls. It takes a little time.
There you go.
Go like this. Around the sides.
It's not gonna help.
Tap it on the bowl.
Family that prays together, cook together, stay together.
Okay.
We'll be happy
Take what you
together.
said.
No. This is fun.
Come on. Alright, hold on. We're almost done with this part. I'm gonna grab this last
You
part.
guys do that.
So that's my future daughter-in-law, which is my daughter-in-law, which is with my son, and I love her dearly. She could be cranky, don't get me wrong, but oh my God, I love her. And my son thinks that's his girlfriend too when I say no, that's his sister-in-law, buddy.
My girlfriend.
Okay, Isaiah. Hands off, buddy.
Alright.
Now we
So
mix
we're gonna
it.
throw this out.
I'll start mixing it.
It might be a little tough. Hold on. Give me,
Probably a little
let
hard,
me-
Isaiah. Let
yeah,
her-
let me mix, and then I'll let you have it.
Okay.
Just because cream cheese is like, you see. We're just mixing.
After she does all this, she's gonna plate it in the aluminum foil pan and then goes in the oven.
With some cheese on top.
See the ingredients right here?
She still gotta add more things to it.
Yep.
All this stuff.
The key to a good one is a lot of cheese.
Yeah. Make a little pretty decoration.
Presentation is the key, baby.
Alright.
I'll be looking at the cheese.
So,
I know you guys looking at my pot all the way over there, but I had that for so many years. That was my aunt that passed away for so many years that she was the one that showed me how to
with the
cook.
gourmet handle.
Yes, look at that. You see the gourmet handle? A fork. I don't want to get rid of it because she was the one that showed me most all the Puerto Rican recipes, and I just don't want to get rid of that pot because I don't have to if I don't want to.
Of course. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to add the Greek yogurt.
This is yogurt.
We got the pizza over there ready. Mmm.
Yogurt.
Okay. Go ahead.
Let's go like this.
We probably got to dig it out. No, that's going to cause a mess. Let's dig it out. No.
Yeah, it's not gonna come out at all. So Fine if you get chicken in the bowl, we're not gonna use it anyways. I mean, you can still get the leftovers in it, but
Okay, go ahead.
not gonna be left.
Get yours out. Let's see how creamy this gets. We might add the other one, but
This is a little bit easier.
yeah. See? Got it?
The background you will be hearing Bob Marley because that's all I hear every day, every night. That's what keeps me calm.
It's not flavored. Isaiah sneaking.
That was not
Here.
I said sneak the lick of the
yogurt.
yogurt and it was plain and he didn't like it at all.
He's playing Greek yogurt.
That's
Not flavored. It's just for the tart.
yeah. I don't know who eats that.
Okay.
But add some chocolate to that.
We can add the other one.
Okay.
Go get the other one out the fridge, please.
The Greek?
Main chef. Yes.
Alright. Alright. I want to put this one in.
That's the one.
Now I'm putting this one in.
Like the rising sun.
Alright, so now you have a lot of stuff.
Whoa, you're strong. How about you strong, Isaiah?
I don't. Wait, is that your tone?
No, for sure.
Viviana, if you're watching, Mimi loves you.
We love you.
We miss you.
Yep.
If she was here, she'd not let nobody stir.
No.
She'd have to stir.
And now she will be the head chef. If she was here, she'll be the one cooking. I said, would have got fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Yeah, she would not. I would get out. No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get out the kitchen.
Viviana's my almost 3-year-old granddaughter.
Yep.
Good job.
She's been with us ever since she was born, and she's just away with her mom away with her mom. But she's the boss of the house.
Yes, she is.
Who's the boss of the house, everyone?
Aviana.
Aviana.
She'll be like, Abba, sit down.
See how creamy?
Mmm. Yummy for the old lady's tummy.
And we have the hot sauce.
Calm down,
That's the
people.
last part we're gonna put in.
So after all the cheese and the ranch,
So grab the mozzarella.
grab mozzarella. Mozzarella. I'll grab this one. Okay.
So go ahead, open yours.
Okay,
Yep.
can you open that for me?
Yeah. It's a little tough here. And then just dump this whole thing.
Everything?
Yep.
Or like this?
Dump it.
Just
We're gonna be here forever, Isaiah. You're
Just dump the whole thing, Isaiah. We're not doing no fancy surely truly cookie right now. We're just dumping, baby.
A little bit of this and a little bit
A little bit sprinkle. Using your elbow.
What's that? It's the what? Do it.
It's a
It's the
splat. It's a splat right there. Will you be wearing? It's a splat. It's a splat right there.
Everybody witness him now, because when he get older,
He's gonna be a killer.
he's gonna be a killer. Future chef over here.
It's just splat right there.
You're gonna be cute and he can feed you. Oh.
Woo! Ladies, put all your applications in. School first, buddy. School first.
Yeah.
After that, ladies, put your applications in.
Brooklyn, no! That yogurt is not for you.
Get it on. And then we got Brooklyn over here. Get out the kitchen, Brooklyn. Dog's not allowed in the kitchen. Get out, get out, get out, get out. We do allow him, but when we cook, and he's not allowed to come inside the kitchen.
For, of course, sanitary purposes.
Cheese.
Not
Yes.
gonna put that on here. Well, that's going to be our.
Because Brooklyn is not, well, he's not a, for us, he's not a dog, he's family. He's my baby, he's my grandson, my daughter's son.
Okay. You're gonna put half of this in there.
Okay, half.
Just not, well, a couple handfuls. A couple
Like
handfuls.
this.
We're gonna see. Not to, don't pinch. Just, you know. Alright, here.
Mamma mia.
Go for it.
Cocinando con Isaiah Gorilla y con Lexi aquí en la cocina.
Good, good, good.
That is Spanish.
One more, a little less. A little less. A little less. Okay, great.
Got all
This
the
is gonna be
cheese.
nice and cheesy, so
Yeah.
I hope nobody in here is lactose intolerant.
Lactose intolerant.
Alright. Okay. So now.
Hey, dudes. Ranch.
What are we adding now?
Ranch.
Okay.
Ranch dressing dip.
And you see, isn't that Walmart give us any
Who cares?
money or anything. No, we just let's saving a little bit. And Walmart brand is not bad, people. We like it. We really do.
All right, Isaiah.
It's the original. So not
Ready?
yeah.
Squeeze.
Okay. Stop.
Okay. Go around.
I can squeeze.
Okay,
All
okay.
right, right.
What is the most important thing when you're in the kitchen, Abba?
Clean as you go.
And what else?
Adult supervision.
Always. That's the most important thing.
Now we can.
This one's gonna be tough because there's a lot of cheese.
This
There's a lot of
ranch?
meat in here. Yeah. Everything's gotta be.
That's not ranch.
Well, it's yogurt. He had some yogurt on his finger.
No, that is ranch. That is ranch. Yeah, it's ranch. Wait, I don't know. Tastes plain though.
Okay.
We're only gonna have a little bit in there, so everybody's mouth don't have to be on fire, except for the people who like
What
it.
is that? A worm in the kitchen?
That's
No.
my mom's hair, guys. She had long hair. It goes up to her. Okay, we adding hot sauce now?
Yes, sir. Okay, well.
Peekaboo.
We're being
Peekaboo.
serious. We're focused.
I'm sorry, guys.
I might be something in there.
I'm away from the food, guys.
So.
I don't got wash
this one-
hands, so
No,
my
you
hands not
do.
clean, so I gotta be away.
I don't want to make
What they guys? What you guys adding?
red
Frank's
hot.
Red Hot.
Okay.
So
We don't want it to be too hot, so that's why we got only that, not a lot.
we need about
Not too hot.
about half
Now that.
cup almost. Or you could just mix to taste. So
Flavor.
It's gotta be hard for you.
Yeah. You flavor with hot sauce as
yeah,
you
it's like hot
please.
sauce.
If you like a lot of hot sauce, pour the whole bottle in. If
Okay.
you don't, just sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkle.
Okay, not like this, but a little bit like,
it also gives it the color.
and the hotness.
Look at that. Mmm. My tummy's gonna be happy tonight, people.
My tummy's gonna be good tonight.
Fabulous.
Bonsai, fabulous, Madame Gazelle,
Fabuloso.
fabuloso.
Get a spoon, Isaiah.
Mario, huh?
Get a spoon.
Okay. Not even sneezing. It's over here.
Get a plastic one.
Oh, that's cool.
Sure.
Okay.
Get 3 testers, buddy.
Yep.
Get more spoons so we could taste. I want to taste.
You might need more hot sauce because there's a lot of stuff in here.
Whoa,
You
I said
already
close
do
the pantry,
smell.
Isaiah. You gotta close the pantry.
Oh, okay.
Isaiah,
Yeah, something.
don't do that.
Oh.
I'm getting a taste.
You might need more. Tell me what it needs if it needs more stuff because there's a lot of meat in there. It's good?
I like it.
A little more hot sauce?
You know.
Alright, I'll try
Here.
it. I'm scared.
It's good one. It's delicious.
I want more hot sauce, yeah.
Put it down. Put the spoon down. A little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of garlic. Ranch.
Ranch.
Yeah, ranch. Yeah, I need that.
And then you put the other cheese when you put it in the oven, right?
Yep.
On
Whoa,
top.
you're right. It's not gonna be that spicy.
There's a lot of stuff in here. I just don't want to pour the whole thing in there and then it'd be too hot for her.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have to do the whole thing over again.
Nobody's doing the whole thing all over again, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm not going outside.
I smell the hot sauce in this. It tastes good.
Clear your senses. Clear your senses. And then all natural Vicks, the original Vicks with hot sauce.
I'm addicted to Vicks, people. Yes, I am.
Yep, we are.
We got an addiction in this house with Vicks.
We are. Guys, lavender Vicks.
You want to help me stir?
What happened with the lavender Vicks?
It's so good.
Put your hand further down. Put your
It
hand
relaxes
further
you.
It does. With Vicks, you don't want it too close to your eyes because it will not make you, like, it will just put you straight to sleep. Especially when it's in your eyes. When it's in your eyes, guys.
That's it. So, what are we doing now?
We're
mixing the ingredients.
Are we gonna add more ranch?
We are.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I also want hot sauce.
Oh, wow. Yum.
There'll probably be a little bit more hot sauce.
Let's do it. Add a little bit more like pepper and salt, probably. Make it a little more salty.
You want more salt?
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit. That's good.
More. That's what don't give it a... Okay.
That's good.
Probably ranch. We need a lot. Because it's a lot. You're right. It was a lot of chicken in there. That's
Yeah,
what
that's
we
what I'm
need.
saying. There's a lot of chicken. That's why I was like, we need a big one.
But basically do a bullseye.
Alright. Let's try it now. I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic.
Garlic, okay. Garlic powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, garlic powder.
Okay. You do it.
Okay. Tell me what to stop.
Let me slip it over right here. For the mix.
I'm just gonna put it all.
Alright, whoa.
Okay, that's a little too much. That's a little too much. That's a little too much, guys. The cheese will.
It's a little cheddar.
Just a little cheddar, yeah. Just a little cheddar, Lexi.
Okay.
That's of course a little
Crack
cheddar,
it
guys.
up. Alright.
Mmm. So we gotta, the pan gotta get rinsed and then we put the thing in there and oven it goes later on.
Probably gonna taste too much garlic.
No. We'll try that. We'll try that.
You can't try the same
mellow it out.
spoon.
We need new spoons.
New spoons? Okay. New spoons we go!
Take only one spoon, only one, and then you put it on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, cause you can't
One spoon for everybody?
no, one spoon so Lexi could put it on your spoon, on my spoon, and then she takes that one.
Give me one too. I threw my. Oh no, yeah, you're right.
No, leave it. Yeah.
Okay. My spoon.
No, don't touch it. Don't give her the one. That's not
clean
touch. I
one.
said the clean spoon.
Here's the clean spoon.
Okay, thank you.
Just leave it there. She's gonna do it.
Some hot sauce, guys.
Oh goodness gracious! I think I'm gonna be on fire today.
No, I'm not. I'm probably.
For this, you'll take a bit of right?
Benadryl, baby.
I mean, my dad.
Alright.
He will put add more hot sauce, probably.
And can you imagine the flavor when all this cheese melts together? It's gonna be great.
That's gonna be cheesy.
Yes.
It's like the what you call it, shepherd's pie.
So how long we gonna put it in the? Oh, I got a shepherd's pie in the deep freezer.
Do you?
Do you?
So how long you guys gonna put this in the oven for?
That's her.
So because all the ingredients are already cooked, you're really putting it in there for, you gotta wait till it gets nice and golden, mixed together. You'll notice the color will start to,
So every oven is different. Like,
yeah, every oven is different. You have to watch it because we're gonna, the cheese topping is kind of like helps you know when it's done, because you're gonna layer it, and then when it melts and it bubbles and starts, then you know it's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Stir it up, little darling. Stir it up.
Alright. Now, where's the clean spoon? I have it?
You have it right here.
Okay.
Oh wait, let me make sure it's a clean spoon. I can't tell.
That one is
Clean.
okay.
Hopefully. Okay, me.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. We in the house. We're not having no company over because Mama is scared of
The corona.
Corona, everything that's going around, because I have a 76-year-old mother that's on 24 oxygen, 24/7 oxygen.
You try, Mom. I'm trying last.
Let's go. That's good.
It's delicious.
Alright.
Whoa.
That's the only reason I'm not allowing a lot of company here. When I do allow company, it's usually my niece and her husband with the girls. And usually a nephew of mine named Dwayne with his wife and the 3 kids. Usually that's it. We don't allow a lot of people over all the time.
It's like the heat a little.
Right?
Lexi over there cleaning the pan. And he got just a little kit of spice, and it's delicious for the people that's not allowed to eat spicy food like myself, but it's really good.
Alright, buddy.
I'm gonna eat the whole
Hold
bowl.
this.
Yum, yum, yum.
Ready?
Okay, guys, you ready, guys? Make sure we go.
We will be eating this with chips
Or tortilla.
or tortilla chips.
I would prefer the Lay's. I think it's good. Some people, you could probably even eat it with like pretzels because some people make buffalo chicken pretzels. So if you have pretzel sticks, you could probably even do that. It'll be good.
Also, guys, you can take the tortilla chips and put like lime or lemon in it. Because the lime and lemon is usually in tortilla chips, and that's the best flavor.
Y'all wanna lick the ball or you want me to scrape it off?
Scrape it off.
No, I want to lick the ball.
No, scrape it off.
I get a little taste, okay? I'm a chef. Chef always needs two.
I think today you was a sous chef, buddy.
No, I'm a
He was
chef.
okay.
Okay. Pick me up.
Sometimes the chef needs a little help, okay?
That's what I was. Your little help.
Okay. Oh, you was a little help,
That's a
Lexi.
little help.
You was a little help today. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Abba?
Use you for the help.
Wow. He only used you today.
And then we're gonna smooth it out.
And you're gonna smooth it. Smooth
Mm.
that baby. Smooth that baby.
So all these cheeses are gonna blend together.
Blow soldier. Dreadlock rockstar.
Buffalo soldier.
The secret is the Greek yogurt. A lot of people don't use the yogurt.
Yeah. The plain yogurt.
Gives it that like.
And guys, you can go over all the ingredients again. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, red hot sauce, which is original. These two, we add a little more salt to it.
Salt and pepper.
Yes. Well, we didn't add more pepper to it.
Garlic. Garlic powder.
And ranch.
Ranch.
Greek
And-
yogurt
Yeah.
and
And
and cream cheese.
The one that really that makes it really good is these two.
Okay.
Now this gave it the flavor.
Now we add our cheese topping.
A little more cheese.
And then not forget, you could make your own chicken or buy the chicken in the can or turkey, whatever you decide. But usually it's supposed to be chicken, buffalo chicken.
Fancy. Are you gonna add mozzarella too?
Yeah, a little bit. Hold on. Give me
You gotta
one
wait,
second.
Isaiah. You gotta wait.
Okay.
Mmm.
You gotta wait to get.
But we're not gonna put it in the oven now because it's gonna get
Yeah.
later. Well, we're about to eat it, right?
Yeah.
For the Super Bowl, guys.
Normally, I mean, it shouldn't take any longer than 30 minutes because your ingredients are already cooked. You're just really warming it up. You just really want that cheese to get in there and mix the flavors of the two.
As you see, guys, that was very tasty. When it was done, we'll be right back. Taste test.
We'll take a picture when everything is done, and we could put it with the video. Is that allowed?
What?
No, it'll be
Picture?
hard.
It'll be hard.
It will be hard. You're gonna have to get like a real camera to add it. So
Yeah.
you're just gonna have to.
So you
record.
I just told you, it's not. I'm using it with my phone. I have to get a real camera. He said.
It's gonna be kind of hard to do that.
Okay.
You have to like edit real good.
Okay.
So
Make sure you spread it out.
guys, if y'all didn't know, that I will be on the cooking show soon. I need to get signed up.
Yeah, he wants to try the cooking show,
You don't
but
need a lot of
Gotta get a little
mozzarella
older.
because there's a lot of mozzarella inside it already. You just wanted to mix those colors.
Yeah, just mix the colors, yellow and
The cheddar though on top. Yeah.
mm,
And that melts in and drips down.
to the bottom too.
to die for.
Alright. And this is the final prep
of ingredients.
result.
And
Yum.
guys, like again, we have meat, potatoes.
That's for later on. For what?
I forgot what's a potato for. I don't actually.
We're gonna make potato balls. That is called relleno de papa, a Puerto Rican dish.
Oh yeah, if I didn't pronounce, yesterday night we made the ball of fire. If y'all don't remember what was in it, it was cheese, Spam ham, and peach fruit.
Yes. So don't forget to like.
And subscribe and post
share.
that notification and share. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.